morning, children. How are you? Yes, very good morning. Are you doing homework? Are you following class? Yes. So, what did you learn in previous class? Number names. And next? Yes. Numerals. Converting into numerals. Good. I will ask one or two questions. Can you read that number? What is that number? 476. 476. So what is that number? 476. How can you read that number? By using the place values. So what are the place values? Ones place. We should start from which side? From last digit, from right side. So what is the first place from right side? Ones place. After that, tens place. After that, hundreds place. So 476. 76. 7 in tens place now. So 76. I will give one more number. So what is the number name? What is the number name? Yes, it is nothing but 300. 305. Yes, 305. Good. 305. And next, these are the number names. Now I will give the number name. You should convert into numeral. Okay? 700. 723. You have to convert this 723 into 723 is number name. It is number name. You should convert into numeral. What are the digits in that numeral? So when we are converting into numerals, first we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now how many hundreds are there? 700. So write 7 under hundreds place. How many tens are there? 20, no? So 20 is nothing but 2 tens. 20 is nothing but 2 tens. So we should write 2 under tens place. And next 3. Under ones place we have to write 3. Okay? And next one more question. Here same we have to write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 4. How many tens are there? Yes, no tens. So 0 in tens place. Very good. How many ones are there? 3 ones. So 3 under ones place. It is nothing but 403. Is it right? 403. Yes. So already you learned these. Today we are going to learn place values. Okay? Place values. Okay? 735. So here we have to find the place. We can find the place value of 7, place value of 3 and place value of 5 also. So first we should start from 7. Okay, what is the place value of 7? Yes, it is in hundreds place. To find the place values, we have to write the place values. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 7 in which place? Hundreds place. 7 in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 7? If 7 in hundreds place, it is nothing but 700 now. So place value of 7 is place value of 7. What is the place value of 7? Yes, it is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 7? 700. Place value of 7 is 700. Next 3. 3 in which place? Tens place. So what is the place value of? Place value of 3. 3 in tens place now. So place value of 3 is? Yes. Place value of 3 is 30. What is the place value of 3? 30. Because it is in tens place. What is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is? Place value of 5. Before writing the place value, 5 in which place? 5 in ones place. So, place value of 5 is 5. Understood? Place value of 5 is 5. Now, we can write these place values in another way also. It is nothing but 700 now. So, we can write it as 700. Like this also we can write. Okay, number 9. 7 in hundreds place. 7 in hundreds place. So place value of 7 is 700. Here 3 in tens place. So we can write it as 3 tens also. Understood? 30 is nothing but 3 tens. 3 in tens place. So place value of 3 is 30 or 3 tens. Next, what is the place value of 5? 5 in which place? Ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 or 5 ones. 5 ones. Understood? Next. Find out the place value of each and every digit. Place value of 3, place value of 9 and place value of 4 also. So before finding the place values, write places. So 4 in which place? Ones. After that tens. After that hundreds. So first write the places. So 3 in which place? Hundreds place. So place value of 3 is? Place value of 3 is equal to 3 in which place? Hundreds place. So it is nothing but 300 or 90, 90, 90. Understood? We can write either 9 tens or 90. Okay? Next, is there another digit? One more digit. What is that? 4. So place value of 4. Place value of 4. What is the place value of 4? Place value of 4. 4 in which place? Yes, it is in ones place. So place value of 4 is 4 ones. Or we can write it as 4 ones, or 4 ones are how much? 4. Place value of 4 is 4 ones or 4. Understand? Now one more question I am going to give. So I am writing place values also, places also, ones, tens and hundreds. Now say what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is, what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 200. 2 in hundreds place. So it is nothing but 200 or 2. 0, 0. 200. Next. What is the next digit? 3. So what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 3 in which place? Tens place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 tens. 3 tens or 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Understood? Next digit is 2. Place value of 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 in which place? Ones place. So place value of 2 is 2 ones or 2. Place value of 2 is 2 ones or 2. Following? Yes. Now I have one doubt. Why place value of this 2 is 200 and place value of 2 is 2. This is 2 and this is also 2. But place value of this 2 is 200 and this 2 is 2. 2 ones. Why? Both are 2's, no? Why place values are different? Can you answer? Anybody can answer? Yes, good. So because here 2 in hundreds place. 2 in hundreds place. And here 2 in ones place. Understood? So different places. That means place values are depending on its position of the number. Understood? Place values are depending on position of the number. Place value of 2. If it is in ones place, place value of 2 is 2. If it is in tens place, what is the place value of 2? 20. If 2 in hundreds place, place value of 2 is 200. Very good. So place values are depends on position of the number. Okay. And next. ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 300, right? 300 or 300s. And next, place value of 0 is place value of 0. So place value of 0, if it is in tens place, what is the place value of 0? Place value of 0 is, it is 0 tens now. So 0 tens or 0 hundreds, either 0 in tens place or in hundreds place or in ones place. Place value of 0 is always 0. So place value of 0 is 0 tens or 0. Understood? Whether it is in hundreds place or in tens place or in ones place, wherever it is, place value of 0 is always 0. Remember. And next, place value of 5. What is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5 in which place? Ones place. So place value of 5 is 5. Everybody understood these place values? Okay. Now we are going to expanded forms. Do you know expanded form? Yes. Expanded form. Expanded form. So I am writing a number here, 724. We have to write the expanded form of this number. To write the expanded form, we have to use place values and the symbol of addition. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. So we have to write the place value values of each and every digit. We should start from highest place. So here highest place is hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. So 7 in which place? Hundreds place. We should start from left side. Okay, 7 in hundreds place. What is the place value of 7? Yes, 700. 700s. And next place value 700s plus next digit is 2. 2 in which place? 2 in which place? Tens place. So it is nothing but 2 tens plus next digit is 4. 4 in which place? Ones place. So 4 ones. Same. We are writing the place values. We are adding the place values of each and every digit in given number. Understood? We are adding the place values. 7 in hundreds place. So 700s plus 2 in tens place. So 2 tens plus 4 in ones place. So 4 ones. That's all. We can write in another way also. 700s. Place value of 7 is 700. So 700 plus what is the place value of 2 here? 2 tens. 2 tens is nothing but 20. 2 tens is nothing but 20 plus place value of 4. Place value of 4 is 4 ones. 4 ones is nothing but 4. So expanded form of this number we can write in 2 ways. 700s plus 2 tens plus 4 ones, and another way. Either we can write like this or like this also. 700 plus 20 plus 4. Understood? So one more question. 300 hundreds plus 9 in which place? 9 in tens place. So what is the place value of 9? 9 tens plus 9 tens plus what is the place value of next digit? 6. 6 ones plus 6 ones. 6 ones. Okay. Now in another way, 300 is nothing but 300 plus 9 tens. 9 tens is nothing but 90 plus 6 ones. 6 ones is nothing but 6. So 300 plus 90 plus 6. Understood? Yes. Next, more 2 questions I will give. Try it fast. Write expanded form in 2 ways. Next, 304. So write place values expanded form in 2 ways. Okay, so do it fast. Place values are ones, tens, hundreds. So do fast. Take out your books fast. Do it fast. 735. Yes, 700s plus what is the next digit? 3. In which place? Tens place. So it is nothing but 3 tens plus what is the next place? Ones place. What is the digit in ones place? Yes, 5. So 5 ones. 5 ones. Okay, 700s plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. Understood? And next, in another way, 700 plus 3 tens. 3 tens is nothing but 30 plus 5 ones are there. So 5 ones is nothing but 5. 700 plus 30 plus 5. This is one method and this is another way of expanded form. Okay. Now, are you finished the second one? Okay. Good. So ones, tens, hundreds. Let me explain once again. So ones, tens, hundreds. Start from hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? Yes, 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds plus how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 0 tens. 0 tens. And how many ones are there? 4 ones plus 4 ones. So is it finished? Yes. In one more method, 300s. 300s is nothing but yes, 300. 300 plus how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 0 tens. So it is nothing but 0. 0 tens is nothing but 0. 0 hundreds are 0 tens are 0 ones is nothing but 0. Understood? Place value of 0 is always 0. So 0 plus 4 ones. So 4 homework. Write place value. You have to write the place values of each and every digit in these numbers. And next write expanded form in two ways. Expanded form in two ways. Next, one more question. You have to write tables. Third one, learn and write fourth and fifth tables.